Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and the happy crew, which is pretty slim today as I only have Xena. No, I only have Wyatt. Xena is not here today. Wyatt is here and he is on bug patrol. What do you think, Wyatt? You ready to work? Yeah, we've been talking about those performance reviews. So mid-year performance reviews are coming up. Wyatt knows, so he's been stepping it up. Xena's just cruising into retirement, so she's really not all that interested, huh? Xena was kind of mad I pulled her out of retirement anyway, although I keep explaining that you had to have a job to be able to retire from it, but she's not really all that interested. All right, what do you think, buddy? We have a box today. Okay, let's do it. My Globin box is here, and I'm excited about this one because I chose the Pamper Box. So I have been featuring Globin on my channel for, I think this is my third month now, and I have been impressed by each and every subscription box that I have gotten so far. Their pieces are just beautiful, and it gives you that chance to bring a little bit of the world to you. So these are artisan, these have products from artisans from all over the world. And it also gives them, Globin gives them an opportunity to basically provide a supply chain to artisans who would otherwise not have that opportunity to get their products to people like me and be able to feed their families. And I think this is just an amazing opportunity for them, and it's amazing to be able to curate them into these boxes and in the way that they do. So I just love how they'll create the cozy box or the pamper box, or they'll have, let me give you a couple of examples because I think they're just adorable. And you always get 4 pieces, and the boho box, the lace box, I love it. And they're always just beautiful. Host box, and each of them, the price is based on if you want to subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months, and the price goes down based on how you sign up. So I also give you an idea of the pricing, and let me tell you. So if you sign up monthly, it's $40 a month. If you sign up for 3 months, it's $38 a month, and it goes the whole way up to, you can choose 6 months for $35 a month or annual for $33 a month. And of course, I do have a code for you, which is Little Box Happy for 50% off your first box. Like, how awesome is that? Little Box Happy. Okay, so I absolutely love this. It's unique artisan goods, literally just delivered to your house every single month, and they are just amazingly gorgeous. If you haven't caught my video on this particular box before, you're going to love this. Okay, here's the inside of my box. You always get a book specifically about your box. You can see this says the Pamper Box, tells you all about it. Every piece in here is designed and created by an artist that is featured inside this book and tells you all about them, and they always have an amazing story behind it. Can't wait to see this. I was all excited about this because, of course, you know, Pamper Box, right? I'm going to get these pieces out and then we're going to go through them. So excited. And you can, if you are a member, you can shop there for add-ons as well. So you can also get additional pieces added to your boxes. And so a lot of times there will be like really pretty globes or beautiful wine glasses, and you can buy extras if you wanted to get an additional set. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's do this. So first up, I'm going to open up this big piece right here. And as you can see, it says made in India. So obviously this feature artisan is from India. I had the opportunity to go to India a few years ago, and it is just an amazing place. The people there are so kind. All right, so what do you think of this? So I'll tell you what it is. And it is an, I want to make sure, and I'm sure, I always feel like I'm pronouncing everything wrong, but this is an Acacia vanity table. And it is made in Asia. And the person who worked on this, her name is Nyla. And she is from the West Bengal wood carving community. And this is for you to be able to put all of your pieces on for while you are pampering yourself. I love it. And it shows it here with a bar of soap, so you can get it wet, take it in the bathtub with you, set it down there as a little tray. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the details in it. The handles. Sometimes I even want to work out, you know, in the bathroom. You need a tray to set your stuff on, whether you might be, you know, working on your feet, painting your toenails, whatever. This is beautiful. I love it. Anyway, there's a great story here about Nyla and how she makes these products to help support herself. Awesome. Okay, next. All right, so this one is the dry brush bundle with the coconut oil. So let me get this out for you. So this is a duo of artisan countries. So you can see this is a combo. So I got the dry brush with the coconut oil, and I actually got the coconut oil in a prior box as well, and I actually really like it. So this stuff is amazing. If you have not tried the coconut oil, it has so many uses I did not even know about. It says it's a multitasking miracle for beauty, health, and wellness. I've actually been using it as a face cream, and it is amazing. But it has many other uses also. And then this dry brush is awesome as well. So you can use this in the shower, right? And these products are from the Philippines and Thailand, and the company is Conscious Coconut. And it also tells you about the people from those countries as well who worked on these products. I love it. So you can see I'm building up my little pamper tray here. Okay, so next, what could be in here? Oh, this is so cute. Let's see if I can get this out. I think I'm gonna have to cut it. Oh, like, look how cute this is. So first of all, it's a turtle. Do you not love him? He is adorable, but look at the bottom. Yes, it is a pettystone. I love it. So this is a pedicure exfoliator turtle, and it's made in Nepal. Building on my little tray here to pamper myself. And the material is ceramic. And Lakshmi Prajapati, I'm sure I'm not saying his name right, is the person who worked on this one. Like I said, from Nepal. And he's from Themi Ceramics, which employs the work of 20 artisans. So this is awesome. I love it. And my feet need this like so badly. So between this, the coconut oil, which you could use for this, and this, I'm set. But I have one more thing here. And this is whipped shea butter and coconut oil for all skin types. When you choose Alafia's Fair Trade Skin and Hair Care, you empower West African women, employees, or families and their futures. So obviously this is from West Africa. And let me see if it says anything more about it real quickly. So this one is from Togo. The country is, the country it says is Togo. And the woman, who is Serena, who worked on this, comes from a family of 17 children. And she's the only one that ever set foot in a school. So that is amazing. So the suggested use for this is to massage onto damp skin after exfoliating and bathing. I love this. So it's travel whipped shea and coconut oil and wild lavender. So I feel like you almost could, like after you have exfoliated your feet, either use the coconut or this, the coconut oil or this, probably both would be good. Love it. The perfect little pamper. Good thing I didn't drop my turtle. I'm set, right? I have everything I need to pamper myself. This was such a fun box. I love the Globin pieces. They are just do such a good job curating the perfect pieces for you to bring a little bit of the world to you. So just in this, there's 5 countries represented inside this box of goodies. And you can pick all different themes, as I mentioned, for their artisan boxes, and I just loved each one of them. I just wanted to share quickly, like this one is the affogato box, everything you need for the perfect Java flavored dessert. So look how cute this one is. This is just an example. There's just so much thought and prep that goes into each one of these boxes, and you get a little bit of piece of the world right now, especially when we're not traveling. The rest of the world can come to you. So I hope you enjoyed this. I really enjoyed bringing it to you. I love the Globin boxes just for that. Number one, I love the fact that I am supporting artisans from around the world who otherwise would not have that opportunity to be able to bring those goods, their goods, to the type of audience that Globin is helping them be able to bring their products to. As well as I really love the quality and detail that goes into each one of their products. It's amazing. You can tell the care and detail that goes into each of these products. You really can. Even like this coconut oil, as I said, I have tried it. It's amazing. It feels wonderful on your skin. It really does. But each one of these is just, the detail is just amazing. So it's almost like whenever you get to travel to other countries and actually get to go to the markets and pick each of the individual goods yourself whenever you want to bring those little pieces home. I feel like this gives me that opportunity to do it without having to get on a plane right now. It's awesome. And it's a super fun subscription. Anyway, I know I'm probably going a little bit long-winded here, so sorry. I really do love the Globin subscription. So I will share some information down below with you in case you want to give this a try. As I said, I do have a coupon code to share with you, so you can get 50% off your first box in case you want to give this a try. I so appreciate you spending some of your day with me. I hope you're doing well, and until next time, please hit that like, please hit that subscribe. It really does help me out. I appreciate the support, and if you're subscribed, thank you, because I do have the very best subscribers. Until next time, everyone stay healthy and well. Bye.